Okay, so I have quite a long heading here, but it's just trying to talk about a single thing. So they say that fluorophore-labeled or oxidation-reduction substrate metabolism. How can you use this so that it can indicate how much microbials are actually growing, or how much of the substrate? Like, let me say you culture microorganisms. You want to now know how much of the substrate they are using. You get it? So I think. Alright. So here we say that what fluorophore-labeled or oxidation-reduction substrate metabolism is a sophisticated method and use it to monitor how much of the organisms are growing and how much of the substrate they're actually utilizing as they are growing. Alright. So this approach leverages on the metabolic activities of microorganisms. Alright, so it will help you produce it will like measure the signals, right, such as fluorescence or maybe changes in redox potential, which will actually indicate like the overall activities of the microorganisms, right? So the key features is for fluorophore-labeled substrates. Right, you see that fluorophore-labeled. We say that fluorescent molecules are attached to specific substrates. Now, can I see these colors? You actually added it to the substrate. You understand? So when microorganisms metabolize those substrates, the fluorophore will usually be emitting light. Those lights will be emitted and quantified. All right. The method is sensitive and allows for real-time monitoring of the microorganism activity. Right. They will have the oxidation-reduction substrate. This substrate, they undergo redox reaction during microbial metabolism, leading to changes in electrical properties such as their conductivity or potential. So these changes can be measured just to access for microbial growth and substrate utilization, right? So application is environmental monitoring. It just helps you to dictate if there's any microorganisms in water or soil. Industrial processes, it will help you to monitor fermentation and bioremediation activities. Clinical diagnosis can help you to make diagnosis if there's any microorganisms there at all. Okay, so this was the same thing. This was more concrete, so I just made a simpler research on it. Okay, so that's how you can actually apply this to know about microbial growth or substrate utilization.